Hi, this is HONOR X7b and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first we should get the green Apple keyboard from the Play Store. That's why in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. Tap to open the app, click to enable in settings, and your green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished, and let's just check our keyboard look, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.